Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys have been asking for a video on getters and setters, and here it is. So we're on the whiteboard today. Hopefully you guys like this more. If not, let me know in the comments and we'll go right back to the computer. But I think this will help me slow it down a bit and help you guys to understand what's going on. So imagine we're writing a class, because that's what we're doing. And the class is called player. We need a variable to mess with, so let's give it a private int and let's call it health, because players have health lots of the time. Why'd I stop there? Private int, and then let's use a different color for the variable. Okay. Don't forget your semicolon. Now, with this variable being private, other classes can't see this or modify it. And that can be a problem for us, for instance, if we wanted another part of the game to change the health of the player. For example, if your player can pick up some sort of like health pack that will increase the health, you'll need that other class to communicate in some way with the player to get this modified. So let's write a getter first to get this information. And we start by writing public, and then for the getter, we're going to return the exact same data type that the variable is. So we're going to write public int, and then we're going to write get health because it's a getter, and health is the variable. And then here we don't need any information. We're going to open this up, and we're simply going to write return this dot, where's my green? Health. Okay, now that's your getter. For a setter, it's going to be the opposite. You're going to write public void, because this method doesn't return any information back. We're simply changing a variable that's in our class. So public void set health, and then here we need to ask for some information, because if you're setting the health, we need to know what you're setting the health to. So we need an int, and we're going to call this new health. Open it here, and we're going to write this dot health equals new health. And then we close it here, make that look pretty. Okay, so that's a getter and that's a setter. Let me highlight that so you can separate the two. Sweet. Now, if you want to use these methods, it's very simple. Let's break it off here, and let's assume we're in another class and we've created an instance of player. Let's say it's called my player. So there's a line of code above player, my player, and it's been set equal to something that's not null. So new player. Okay. If we want to use the setter, what we're going to do is write my player, or the name of the instance that you're working with, dot set health, because now we're doing a method call. And let's say we're setting it to 100. Here's the value we're passing. Now in the setter, that's going to get read as new health, and this dot health gets set equal to garbage. And then for the getter, I bet you can't guess what it's going to look like. Dot get health. Nothing in the parentheses, just call it. And that is how you call the methods you just wrote. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to join my Discord server if you're into the live classrooms and stuff like that. I'm trying to start doing them around noon every Sunday. And they may get more frequent depending on how many people join those. So, there's getters and setters. I will have a video on static variables and whatnot coming out soon as well, so be sure to be on the lookout for that. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you. Have a good one.